Model, 56-plate Ford Transit 85 T260S front-wheel drive body, white, camper mileage, 202,594 MOT, the 8th of January 2024 engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 PS DURATORQ-E transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is average. Genuine honest work van. Conversion is in good nick and looking from the inside a lot of effort has been made. A little of TLC on the camper, it will